If you want to use the Pro mode on Motorola Moto G87, then first of all we need to go to the camera, and then over here you should be able to slide all the way to the Pro mode here like that. Now once we open the Pro mode, then over here we can find our parameters over here, which can be used to adjust the photo and determine a couple of different things. Like for example, here on the left side we have the focus, which is either AF or MF, which stands for automatic focus or autofocus, and manual focus. Here on this slider we can move to the left and to the right in order to determine what should be in focus. So if you move closer to the left side, then you focus on things that are pretty much right in front of the camera, and if you move to the right side, then you focus on also on things that are in the background. You can slide all the way to the A letter in order to set it to automatic. Then we have WB, which is the white balance, and it adjusts the color temperature, so whites look white and colors look natural. Over here we can move to the left side in order to apply cooler colors or bluish colors, and then you can move to the right side to apply warmer colors or yellow or orange-ish colors, and slide all the way to the A letter in order to set it to automatic, just like before. Then we have the shutter speed, which has this, let's say, a clock icon. And shutter speed decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good, for example, for night shots, but as a result it can blur motion as well. And fast speeds freeze action. And here, just like before, we can move left and right to determine the shutter speed, and we can move it to A to set it to automatic. ISO controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. Low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light. Higher ISO helps in low light conditions, but as a result it can add grain if it's too high, or noise to your photos. Just like before, move left and right on this slider to adjust the ISO, and move to A to set it to automatic. And then this minus and plus is the exposure, also known as EV, and this slider lets you adjust the overall brightness of your image. It's just a quick way to make your photos lighter or darker, and this is the only parameter that is not automatic, and you manually adjust it. So for example, you can just set it to 0 if you have, well, you have to set it to 0 if you want to reset it. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.